So I'm on a dating show looking for people my son and daughter can have a long-distance relationship with. I'm going to be interviewing 3 types of families to decide what family is best for my children. Bachelor number 1. Do you think your kind is physically attractive? Describe your both male and female.
Well, there are 35 different looking kinds of us, but the basic on both male and females are a cornet, a pectoral fin, gills, a snout, and an anal, a dorsal fin with a stroke. The male is the only one with a brood pouch, and the female has a streak. I'm fun.
Bachelor number 2.
Well, in my family, both males and females have a streamlined body with a narrow tapered head. Both are dark gray with light gray and white patches. Adult males are 45 to 46 feet long, and adult females are slightly more. Both weigh 30 to 40 tons.
Bachelor number 3.
We're covered with tiny pores called ostia. Ostia leads up internally to a system of canals and eventually up to one or more large holes called oscula. The water brings in nutrients and oxygen while it carries out waste and carbon dioxide.
Interesting. Now, I want my children to be safe. So please describe what kind of area your family tends to live in. Bachelor number 1.
We live in shallow, tropical, and temperate waters throughout the world. We tend to stay near seaweed and corals so we have something to hold ourselves on when we get tired of swimming. And we always live near the coast.
Bachelor number 2.
We live in shallow coastal waters of the eastern Pacific. In October, we travel to Baja, California for mating. The journey takes 2 to 3 months, and we stay there for another 2 to 3 months, then we go back.
We're able to thrive in most environments. 99% of all of us live in marine water, but some of us made of spongy fiber live in fresh water. We can be attached to the surface anywhere as deep as 6 kilometers into the ocean at the bottom of the seafloor.
Strange. But okay. My children love to eat. So it's important to enjoy the same kind of food as your family. Tell me what kind of food your family enjoys. Bachelor number 1.
We suck in plankton and love small crustaceans that are around my neighborhood. But we are constantly eating and can eat up to 3,000 or more brine shrimp a day.
Bachelor number 2.
We eat small crustaceans and tube worms found at the bottom of the ocean. We eat mostly during the summer months in daylight hours when we are in the North Pacific.
Bachelor number 3.
Okay, we're very effective filter feeders since we're able to capture and eat particles as small as bacteria as well as much larger particles. Water flows through us and brings in tiny organisms for us to eat.
Sounds yummy. Now, this is important to me that my kids have the perfect romance. With one kiss, do you think your family member of yours could take their breath away? How do you guys breathe?
Definitely. My herd actually breathes through our gills just like any other fish.
Bachelor number 2.
We breathe at the surface of the water through 2 blowholes on the top of our head. We breathe about 2 to 3 times per minute.
Bachelor number 3.
We breathe through our pores that are located all over our body.
Okay. I want both my son and daughter to be involved with sanitary, clean people. How does your family excrete? Bachelor number 1.
Our digestive systems are fast. We don't have stomachs, which is why we eat so much. We don't have glomeruli. We can't filter our waste. So, unlike anyone else, we have to take in small doses of water to break everything down.
Bachelor number 2.
We have liquid excretions. We have specialized kidneys which allow us to release high salt concentrations in our urine.
Bachelor number 3.
We have carbon dioxide and other waste to remove as the water moves in and through our pores.
Maybe I won't ask that next time. Now, my children need to be with people that don't make them do all the work. would your family members have helped take care of kids if they had any? How did your family reproduce?
I would say that we definitely split the work. Once the female in our group produces eggs after about a 12-hour courtship, they deposit their ovipositor in the male's pouch and pass the eggs to him. Embryos develop for 10 to 6 weeks in their pouch, and after the male actually gives birth to the baby seahorses by pumping his tail.
Factor number 2.
We breed mostly in the winter to early spring. We reach sexual maturity at 5 to 11 years of age. The mother carries the baby for 12 to 13 months. Females have one calf every 2 or more years.
Factor number 3.
We reproduce sexually and asexually. This helps us keep alive in our habitat. Male and female, in asexual reproduction, they may play either role. The male will release sperm into the water, which will travel and then enter the female. After being fertilized in the sponge, a larva is released into the water and it floats around for a few days, and then sticks to its ovum to begin growth into an adult.
Okay, what is this? What are these answers? This is insane. Are you kidding me? A seahorse? A whale? And a sponge? I've been interviewing sea animals for my children. This is ridiculous.